In this session, we're going to create a couple of views for our review. First, under F, Views, we're going to create a new folder named Reviews. And under that Reviews folder, we're going to create a new partial view named _form.html.erb. This is just a simple form for us to make a review for a specific room. And we're going to start by creating form 4. Now for that form 4, we're going to say room at room.reviews.new. Do F. So first, let's create a new text view for the star and another text view for a comment. Right. The next thing we want to do is a hidden view. And we're going to pass the room ID here and the value room.id. And last, just create the submit button. After this, we're going to create another partial view for listing all of the review for a certain room. Then under F, View, Reviews, we create a new partial named list_list.html.erb. First in here, we're going to check if we have a list of reviews blank, and that means we don't have any reviews. We do something, otherwise we do something else. Okay, so if you don't have any reviews, just simple. We just make a text, say there is no review yet. Okay, now otherwise we're going to look through all of the reviews that we have and make sure that reviews order by ID descending. So that makes sure that the latest review will be on top. Let's do here, say now just create new HR, which is just a bar. Right, so here we're going to get a new div with the row. Inside the row, we're going to create a new column, and this one say MD1, and another column for MD11. Alright, so for the first column, we're going to display the avatar. So we say image tag, avatar URL r.user, and the class would be image circle avatar medium. Alright, so for a second column, let's say we create a new div, and inside the div we're going to set strong. Alright, so we got our user dot full name, and then we're going to display how many star for this review. So we're going to say r.star. Now next thing we want to do, span, and for this one it should be boom right. Here we just create a new link this link to remove my review. Alright, and this link to this one, the method would be delete, and the data, let's say confirm. Are you sure? Alright, okay, pretty much done. The other thing we want to do is just create a new div, and here we're going to say dot created at dot string ftime. Let's see. So this one to display the time when you create this review, and another thing we want to display is the command itself. I think in this case, instead of using blank, we can check count equal or 0, which is much more sense. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is to implement the form and the list of review into our rooms show page. So open F, views, rooms, and show.html.erb. Now if you open this one, alright, so we're going to display that right above the Google Map. So here say reviews, alright. Now we've got div row. Inside the div row, let's say md12. First we say reviews, and we're going to display how many stars you have, and I'm going to say room dot average rating, right, and display how many reviews that we have by saying at reviews dot count. Next, let's create a new div with container. So inside here, we're going to display two things. First, we'll just render the reviews form. Right? If book and no has review. Another div. And next, we're going to render the list of review. So we say reviews list. Okay, so for the form, we only display the form if the current user book a reservation for this room, and also he or she has no review for this room before. Now restart the server and open the web browser. Let's say we log in as Iron Man, and I'm going to room 3. So in here, as you can see, we got a form and there's no review yet, which is correct because I already booked a reservation for this room, so that's why I can see the form to make a review. So let's say I got this one 4 star and this one said nice, and click on create a review. Now if I scroll back down, awesome. So I just got review, so 4.0 is the average rating, and got 1 review, and here is my review. I got avatar, I got my name, and this one is a 4 star. We're going to replace this number with the stars in the next video. Alright, so we got date and we got a comment, and also we got the remove my review button here. Now let's say if you log it in as a different user, say Leo for example, and you go into the room 3, if you scroll down to the review section, now as you can see, here you can click on this remove my review link to remove this Iron Man review, which is wrong. Only Iron Man can remove his review. So we need to fix this. To our project, just go to the list.html.erb here, and inside this link, we need to check with the condition to see. Let's say if the current user, that means if they log in, and if the current user equal with the r.user. So we're going to check if the current user is the same as the review user. Then we're going to display this link. Now open our web browser and hit refresh. Cool. So now you can't see this link because you log in as Leo. Now let's try to log out and log in again with the Iron Man. And now if you go into rooms 3, yep, so now we can see the remove. And if I click on this, okay, I'm sure. And now we don't have any reviews. And again, once you remove that one, you are able to create another one. In the next video, we'll be working on the star. Alright, so we're going to replace the number here with the number of stars. And I'll see you in the next video.